Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a blower motor. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver, a socket set, and your new blower motor. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, you'll need to locate the blower motor assembly, which is typically found beneath the passenger side dashboard. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the motor. You'll likely need to remove the glove box and any surrounding trim panels that might be in the way. Once you have a clear view, locate the electrical connector attached to the blower motor and carefully disconnect it. After that, identify the 3 mounting bolts that secure the motor in its housing. Use your socket wrench to unscrew these bolts, preparing for removal. With the bolts removed, you can now gently pull the old blower motor straight out from its housing. Take care not to damage any surrounding components. Next, carefully insert your new blower motor into the opening, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the mounting holes. Once it's seated correctly, reinsert and tighten the 3 mounting screws to secure the new motor firmly in place. This step is crucial for proper function. To complete the installation, reconnect the electrical connector to your new blower motor. Then, carefully reinstall all the trim panels and the glove box that you removed earlier, making sure everything snaps back into place securely. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Once everything is back together, turn on your vehicle and test the fan at all speeds to ensure your new blower motor is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.